Welcome to my desk. Today I will show how to develop a AngularJS project by Visual Studio Code. Although AngularJS approach is old, but it's just for learn purpose. So for develop an AngularJS app by Visual Studio Code, we have need two things. First is Node.js and second is Visual Studio Code editor. So I have already installed both. First of all, check Node.js, node, node version. Version is 14.16. Then also check npm version. npm si version. It's 6.14.11. Okay, our okay, our node and npm is done. So first of all, so now create a folder on your PC. Already I have created a folder, a drive, name is AngularJS. So I'm initialize here my npm. Okay, just run this command npm oil. Here package JSON is here. Now I install npm, just npm install, sorry, installing. Yes, it's installed. Okay, fine. Now I will install AngularJS, install Angular zip, npm install Angular zip, this command. Okay, all required file will install here. Yeah. Okay, fine. Our installed AngularJS version is 1.8.2. This is the latest version. Okay, now I'll open this in our Visual Studio Code. So code, type code. Okay, trust. Okay. Okay, my package JSON is ready. My Angular version is 1.8.2. This is the script section. My app folder name or app name. Okay. Now I will create a HTML file. Name is index.html. Okay, it's a HTML file. Okay, fine. It's just a plain HTML would exist here. I'll copy this and paste here. This is a clean HTML code. Okay, now I will add a JS file, app.js. Okay, now I will write some Angular code here. Angular module controller controller Okay. Okay, my AngularJS code is ready. Now I will inject this controller index file. First of all, I will initialize app ng. Sorry, I will add here my AngularJS. Sorry. Angular Angular dot main JS. Okay. Now I will initialize ng app. My app is app. Okay. This is for title here. Angular JS. Okay. Now I will add a session here. Section ng controller index.ctrl. Input text value my module. Okay, my code is ready. Okay, we can add here our all required script from remove script from here to header section. Okay. Okay. Now uh, I have need a server for serve our Angular JS app. Now I will install Light server. So open same remote and install npm light npm install light server. It will take some time to install. Okay, installation is completed. Now I open package.json and my light server. Okay, here node module bin light server bin light server here light server. Okay, we got light server. We have got light server. Okay, fine. Already inject. Already add light server. Here script part for start. Okay, our all is ready. Now open terminal and start npm run npm start command. Okay, okay, our npm from base code input hello AngularJS it's already here from uh, app model my model script part here AngularJS. Okay, everything is okay. Now I'm type here and hello, sorry, model model here. What is problem? Remove this and add my model ng model, then it will reflect on key precedent. Okay, fine, remove it, already gone. Hello world. Okay, that's it.